Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is special senses. Special senses are sensory systems that are responsible for specific sensory perceptions beyond the basic senses of touch, taste, smell, sight, and hearing. These specialized senses include vision, hearing, taste, smell, and equilibrium. Let's explore each of these senses, their associated organs, and their physiological mechanisms. Vision, sight, organ, eyes, physiology. Light enters the eyes through the cornea, passes through the lens, and focuses on the retina. The retina contains photoreceptor cells called rods and cones, which convert light into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted via the optic nerve to the brain, where they are processed and interpreted as visual information. Hearing, audition. Organ, ear physiology. Sound. Sound waves enter the ear through the external auditory canal and cause the eardrum to vibrate. These vibrations are transmitted through the three tiny bones in the middle ear, oculus, malleus, incus, and stapes, to the cochlea, a fluid-filled structure in the inner ear. Inside the cochlea, hair cells convert the vibrations into electrical signals, which are then transmitted via the auditory nerve to the brain for processing and interpretation as sound. Taste, gustation. Organ, tongue physiology. Taste buds are located on the tongue, particularly on the papillae. Taste buds contain specialized taste receptor cells that can detect different tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. When food particles come into contact with taste buds, these cells send signals to the brain via the gustatory nerve, allowing us to perceive taste, smell, olfaction. Organ, nose physiology. The olfactory epithelium located in the upper part of the nasal cavity contains olfactory receptor cells. These cells have specialized receptors that can detect different odor molecules. When we inhale, these odor molecules bind to the receptor cells, triggering electrical signals that are transmitted via the olfactory nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted as specific smells. Touch. Touch sense, also known as tactile perception, is the ability to perceive and interpret physical sensations through the skin. It is one of the five traditional senses along with vision, hearing, taste, and smell. The sense of touch plays a crucial role in our daily lives, providing information about the physical properties of objects, detecting temperature, pressure, texture, and pain, and allowing us to interact with our environment. Organ, skin physiology. The primary organ involved in the sense of touch is skin, which is the largest organ of the human body. The skin is composed of three layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer and serves as a protective barrier. The dermis is located beneath the epidermis and contains various structures involved in the touch sensation. The hypodermis, also known as the subcutaneous tissue, is the deepest layer and consists of fat cells that provide insulation and cushioning. Within the dermis, there are specialized sensory receptors called mechanoreceptors that are responsible for detecting mechanical stimuli and converting them into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the nervous system. There are several types of mechanoreceptors involved in touch perception. These special senses play vital roles in our perception of the world, allowing us to gather and interpret specific sensory information.